There's some weird stuff everywhere. There's like desks on the street.
We have fallen to the communists. Time to run. Everyone grab your desk and push it out in the street. Quickly.
I feel like we forgot something. Wait,
Left their
throw
kids
the
inside.
entire fucking filing cabinet out the window.
And run!
Don't turn back once you've done it. Keep going, keep going.
Upstairs! Upstairs!
Is he up? Oh, he was.
It's not time for these hiccups. I've had enough. They hurt.
I stunned myself like an idiot.
Okay, well, they're stunned again. Go! I'm sorry, I'm jumping, I'm jumping! Holy shit!
I don't have a fucking... Ah, damn it.
But you should have seen me jumping. I was pretty much jumping in fucking Gypsy Town. Okay, one sec.
I'm EMP'd, so... Go. Go!
Yeah!
Yo! What the fuck?
I
Oh
just
boy.
EMP'd.
What the fuck, dude?
That's worse when it happens right in the middle of the sentence.
Hmm?
Oh my god!
I apologize.
That was such a pretty triple. I'm putting it in anyways.
Army Fighter 35 could die today, and I wouldn't feel a thing.
I'd be excited.
I'd be overjoyed.
I'd feel like a kid on Easter morning. Like, not that excited, but still happy about it.
Like, no school. Alright, we got like 4 people? What's going on here? Go, I swear to God.
So we're reloading G18?
I'm fucking lightheaded. I keep holding my breath so these hiccups will fucking go away. All I want to do is live my normal life. Didn't work.
I tried.
I feel like that really did it.
I mean, like, I put in my best effort.
Potato. Potato. Oh shit, hold on. Oh, you get it. Go, 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 go. You got it, you got it. Another one. Oh, split! What
Oh
the
no!
fuck? Oh my god, dude.
Sorry.
That's fine. How many times have I never hitting again?
Well, like, you keep calling it as I'm, like, on the drop zone, so I, like,
Oh, yeah.
I'm sorry. Oh my god! There was 3 more in attack.
Well, attack them. That sounded disappointment.
Well, I wasn't disappointed. I was just, like, angry.
It's one of my favorite BO3 maps, if not my favorite. The triple, at least.
No, he's fucking in a tube of blue.
Blue.
What the fuck?
I'm all about the stretches, you know that.
That was gross.